This is Oatmeal, a Quaker Parrot baby. Oatmeal is 5 weeks old. The reason Oatmeal eats so fast is because she was feed fed, and it just goes straight down into her crop. But you can see she still has the feeding motions, the neck bobbing and the wings flapping, so that's good. Let's have a little more, sweetie. This is pretty thick stuff today. Let's wipe your face. Let's try one more little bit. You're going to talk a little bit? Turn around this way. But that's good. More? One more? Have some more. Now, see the crop? It's like a little water balloon. It's pretty full. I don't know. You want a little bit more? Just a little bit more? When it starts coming back out the mouth, that's about time to quit. What do you think, Oatmeal? What do you think? Is it good? Is it good? Good baby.